Welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you the progress bar and how to create progress bar in Titan Web. So in this project I've got 3 pages, page 1, page 2 and page 3. And essentially how this works is you want to be able to take a customer through a journey, page 1, 2, 3, but you want to be able to set a progress bar. Let's say for example on this button here I'll go ahead and do on-click action, and then I'll say redirect, go to internal, go to page 2. Alright, and then when it goes to page 2, for example, let's just do save and continue, I can bring, there are 2 types actually, to be honest. There is, so let me show you here. I'm going to drag over the progress indicator, and the progress indicator comes in 2 variants, circle or linear. Alright, and basically I'm actually going to show you both, to be honest, so you get the idea. I'm going to start the default value at 0, so as you can see the progress bar has now gone to 0. Let me drag over another one for a second. So we'll drag this one over, and then we'll set this one to be circle, like this. Now I'm going to set the value to be 0, but let's just quickly save and go back to page home, and then I'll say when this button is clicked, obviously I want it to go to page 2, but we can also do other stuff. We can affect elements. So here is my progress. I'm going to say set value, and I'm going to say set value, let's say 50. Okay, let's apply, and then same thing here, set value 50. Apply, apply, save, and then let's publish. So if we publish, this is page 1, start here, we go to page 2, and voila, you can see both of them are set to 50. Alright, so you kind of get the idea how you can set value based off any specific field that you consider or deem as accomplished, and then you can set the value. And just like on this one again, you can go over here, click on configure action, affect elements, and set this value. Let's get rid of this for a second. Set value to be, let's say 75. Apply, and then the same thing here, apply, 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 save, and then publish. Now let's see, instead of 50 it will set the value to be 75. So start here, and you can see it's now 75% completed. Couple of things to be mindful of is this. If I go over to page 2, what you can do, if I click here, you can actually show them the value. You can say show progress label. You can also do intermediate progress like this, and I'm going to show you actually the difference. So this one will say show progress label, intermediate progress. So let's go over to page home, let's save again, let's publish, and then we go over to page. Remember, it's going to set the value to be 75%, just like it did, and it's an intermediate progress. So it just kind of shows your end customers that, hey, you know what, it's not completed, I've done 75%, I need to do that 25 more in order to complete this project. So that's the progress bar for you. You can even go as far as pulling the data from Salesforce. Here, you can bring the data from Salesforce. So for example, they push contact, that would mean to you 25%, and then you can get that value from Salesforce, set it as 25, and keep going. You can also set animation. You can set metadata to identify them differently. You can hide it on load. So this is the progress bar for you, and hope you have fun with it.